हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है यूरिनरी सिस्टम पार्ट 2। जैसा कि हम पहले यूरिनरी सिस्टम पार्ट 1 पढ़ चुके हैं, जिसमें हमने किडनी के बारे में पढ़ा है। अब हम इसमें नेफ्रॉन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो नेफ्रॉन इज द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी। 1.2 million per kidney nephron are present. There are three main parts. Number 1 is blood vessels, number 2 is renal capsules, and number 3 is renal tubules. Blood vessels servicing kidney. Glomerulus. In this, fenestrate capillaries are present. Capillary filtration in glomerulus initiate urine production. Filtrate lacks cells and proteins and drained by efferent arterioles to peritubular capillary to the renal vein. जैसा कि इस डायग्राम में हम देख रहे हैं कि ये बाउमेंस कैप्सूल्स हैं, इसमें ग्लोमेरुलर कैपिलरीज आर प्रेजेंट, जिसमें एफरेंट एट्रोस प्रेजेंट है और एक हेफरेंट एट्रोस प्रेजेंट है. Renal capsules, in which are composed of a glomerulus and the Bowman capsules. The renal capsules is the beginning of nephron and it is the nephron's initial filtering component. अब हम बात करेंगे glomerulus. Glomerulus is a capillary stuff that receives its blood supply from afferent arteriole of the renal circulation. The glomerulus blood pressure provides the driving force for water and solute to be filtered out of the blood and into the space made by Bowman capsules. The remainder of the blood passes into the efferent arterioles, and diameter of efferent arterioles is smaller than that of afferent arterioles, increasing the hydrostatic pressure in the glomerulus. Next is the Bowman's capsules. The Bowman capsules, also called the glomerulus capsules, which surrounded the glomerulus. It is composed of visceral inner layer formed by a specialized cell called podocytes. Parietal outer layer composed of simple aqueous epithelium. The fluid from blood in the glomerulus are filtered through the visceral layer of podocytes, resulting in the glomerular filtrate. Note: renal capsules. In this glomerulus plus capsules, glomerulus enclosed in two-layered glomerulus capsules, Bowman capsules, in which fluid filtered from glomerulus capillaries and fluid collect in the capillary space and fluid flow into the renal tubules. In this slide, we see about renal capsules. Renal tubule, which lead from glomerular capsule, ends at tip of medullary pyramid, which are 3 cm long. 4 major regions are present in renal tubules. Number 1 is proximal convoluent tubules, second is nephron loop, third is distal convoluent tubules, and fourth is collecting duct. जैसा कि इस स्लाइड में हम नेफ्रॉन ट्यूब्यूल सिस्टम के बारे में देख रहे हैं, जिसमें ये सारी चीजें प्रेजेंट हैं. अब बात करते हैं प्रोक्सिमल कॉन्वोलेंट ट्यूब्यूल, जिसको हम पीसीटी भी कहते हैं, विच अराइज फ्रॉम ग्लोमेरुलर कैप्सूल्स which are longest, most coiled region, lying in cortex and lined by simple cuboid epithelial with brush border, which help to increase the area of absorption greatly, and prominent microvilli function in absorption. Next is the nephron loop, which also called loop of Henle, which are U-shaped, distal to PCT and lying in medulla. And has a two parts. Number 1 is descending limb of loop of Henle and second is ascending limb of loop of Henle. Next is the ascending limb of loop of Henle. In this ascending loop of Henle is divided into two segments. One is lower end of ascending limb, is very thin and is lined by simple aqueous epithelium. Second is distal portion of ascending limb, is thick and lined by simple cuboid epithelium. Thin ascending limb of loop of Henle and thick ascending limb of loop of Henle, which are enter cortex and become DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Thick segment in this which are active transport of salt and high metabolism, many mitochondria. Thin segment in this permeable to water and low metabolism. Distal convoluted tubules, which also called DCT, which are coiled distal to nephron loop, shorter than PCT, less coiled than PCT, and very few microbile, contact afferent and efferent arterioles and contact with peritubular capillaries. Nephron structure. Next is collecting duct. DCT of several nephrons empty into the collecting duct, passes into medulla, and several merge into pupillary duct, which are 30 per papilli, and drain into minor calyx. Classes. The two general classes of nephron are cortical nephrons and secondly juxtamedullary nephron, which are classified according to the length of their loop of Henle and location of their renal capsules. All nephrons have their renal capsules in the cortex. Cortical nephrons have their loop of Henle in the renal medulla near its junction with renal cortex, and loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron is located deep in the renal medulla. Thank you.